Hey traders, what's happening? Welcome to episode 508 of the show. You could be doing anything, you could be watching anyone, but you're watching me, and for that, dude, that's amazing. Thank y'all. Alright. And, the kind of topic of discussion is Ethereum, right? Seldom. Actually, I think this is the first time I've ever done, like, Ethereum live before. Oh, and I know, creating thumbnails, it is. And it's earned it. It's earned the right to have a stream devoted to it, at least in the beginning, topic of conversation, because on Coinbase, we're breaking above, well, we're right at it, man. Barely, you could technically say we are breaking above it on the daily time scale, the overhead resistance from November 8th, that height. This is the way it feels, man. The way it felt when Bitcoin ran back up to 6K, right? What was it again? You gotta remember exactly what it was. November 7th high. It was 6,500, man. It was the same feeling of euphoria. Well, that's the way it feels to me when we hit this same level where it's all been washed away. Ooh, that's loud. Sorry. The pain is gone, chat. You're only in pain if you sold down here. Okay. Other than that, man, you're probably in pretty good shape, right? I mean, dude, back to normal. It only took us 6 months, dude. All right. So if we could break this and hold above it on the daily, which we got a long time, man. We got like 21 hours left until the daily candle close, and this we're looking at the daily time scale. So killed any thought of a Gartley, which is great. I mean, dude, who wants to sell off, right? You don't want to, but you look for those patterns to see if they're good opportunities, and the market, the macro, was extremely bullish, too bullish for any kind of bearish pattern to complete. All right. You like that?
FOMO got me bought 13k of XRP at 44 cents a coin. Wish me luck.
Oops, sorry. They're new variations, so my bad. Okay, I didn't mean to. Sorry, it's not the same voice. Okay, so we'll just deal with that tonight. All right. If you super chat, I think it's anything between $9.99. You'll get that weird voice. I think also 20. Super chat. It's just like, cause I'm working on implementing all these crypto emoji balls to become super chat, like we're seeing. All right, so it's just work in progress. But let me see what you said again. Mitch, FOMO got me. Bought 13,000 Ripple or XRPs at 44 cents a coin. Oh my God! Please don't tell me you did that, man. 44 cents, dude. You understand what's going to happen, Junior. You might be right this time, and you very well, higher percentage chance of probably being wrong this time. But if you are right this time, please don't. One would not want to do that again. Playing the numbers game. The numbers game, you will lose all your money. Okay, doing that. You must have a trading plan. The numbers game, man. You're not a trader must have a plan, right? Every single time they must ask why they're buying somewhere. Right? One must have a stop. One must have a profit-taking level from that entry. Okay? And the FOMO got you. And dude, if this thing pulls, and you did it right into Binance closing for scheduled maintenance for 6 to 8 hours, dude. Dude, you might as well just go get a revolver with one bullet. I mean, that's like playing financial Russian roulette right there, Junior. Ethereum, $225 on Coinbase. Let's go. Session highs on the daily. Oh my God, man. Oh my God. So market is still open for Coinbase, just not Binance. And we're going to see how everything goes. Bitcoin on Coinbase chart is at $8,071. Still below that 1618 fib extension. Oddly enough, right? From our previous side of low. You're just right at it and you keep rejecting it, man. You've rejected the 1618. It looks like the past three candles, including the one that's open right now. You haven't been able to break the 161.8% retrace from our previous high to low. All right. And that number is 8,089. Remember that. Okay. So here you go, dude. $225. Remember we talked about earlier? $225? Well, here we are. We're at it. We're exceeding it. Breaking overhead resistance. There is, just, dude, like, there's a little forest of scrub resistance, man. All right, goes up to 231, 228. You probably should see 228 tonight, like, while we're live. Okay, 226.50, 226. Dude, we just broke over resistance. This is a pretty big deal, and thank God I made it Ethereum live, because this is the one being Kang's right now. All right, I know Ripple's doing well. That's why we made a static video on it. 226. What was that? 97 almost said. All right, so there's candle high closes all around, but really, man, the big one, the big overhead resistance, that if you can break it, man, you could be going to the promised land. It's really at 248 to 250. Okay, this is it. I'm gonna make it orange like we did with Bitcoin, right on those major zones, the major overhead resistance zone, right there. Okay, so, dude, if you can break where we are now, I mean, again, 230, you're going to 250. All right. This is beautiful. I mean, does anyone see what's going on here? We're breaking out of an upsloping channel. Acceleration of buying pressure. This is great, man. We've been contained within the parameters of this uptrend since we had our first 3 plot points. December 15th, February 8th, December 23rd. This is wonderful, dude. Very, very nice. And this kind of plays into, well, not kind of, it directly plays into our thoughts when we did the, hey, remember our video? That was my most clickbaity title ever, okay? And it was on Ethereum, and it was only like a few days ago, and it said, can Ethereum run to 500 or over 400, whatever? And because the technical analysis is from your previous swing high to low, 370 to 549, 38% to 62%, man. All right. You were beginning to break out here, but then you were coming back to rally, and then Binance went down. Okay, so it is down right now, and it should be down for the next 6 to 8 hours, okay? I don't think I'll be live at that time. But, whatever, man. I will be alive. Probably sleeping, though. Okay. Going back to Coinbase real quick. See what's happening. All right, $228.88. I just saw it, man. King Logan, we're up 5.28%. So many hits. We've hit it, man. We hit it. 228.53. Candle high close. The next one is at 232.85. Okay. You break that, extremely high chance you're running to 248. Okay. Yeah, 248. Yeah. Beginning to break it, and or beginning to break 228.20, and should run, if this sustains itself and we don't pull back, 232.37. This is nice, man. Real nice. It doesn't stop, man. The euphoria, the Kangage, it just keeps going day after day. And I gotta say, I'm impressed. And I think it's really cool, man. Thanks again for all y'all being here, because again, you could be watching anyone or doing anything, and that's awesome, man. Truly humbling. So junior, man, be careful, dude. 44 cent. You're buying XRP at 44 cents when it's like, I don't know, one of the first times we've seen that price all year, or we could pull back. But I guess if you're holding for a long term and you're not trading and you're just investing, okay, well, see what happens, man. Good luck. Like, really good luck, man. What's up, Robert Adams? Dustin Witt, congratulations on your wrench, man. What's up, Dalal? Score Music, Zach Z. Yeah, V-Chain doing things. It's been doing things. Broke out of the downsloping resistance and double bottom, man. Okay, it's off, man. ADA as well. They're killing it today. Dash killed it. All coins killing it. Ethereum killing it. Session highs on the daily and 4 hour right now. Pull back a little bit. We need 230. Okay, this is wonderful, man. Very, very little overhead resistance above you that could yield you extremely higher prices. But again, what a nice, stupendous run we've had, where you're sitting at 80 on the RSI on the daily. Of course, man, of course, this could go to 90 and we could go to 250. But man, it's all high risk areas up here. Remember, dude, the market conditions we've been trading in, and when you trade on traditional markets, they're not like this all the time. Most of the time, dude. All right, so when crypto really wants to go, it goes. And we know the target's above us. Okay? Okay, above 254 is 295 to 300, okay? There you go, man. It's all laid out, clean slate for you. Ethereum, let's give it another shot, 2019. Let's make back some of those devastating losses from $1,400 to $80, man. Oh my God. What's up, stay-at-home dad here? Good to see you, dude. Michael Marks, Mr. Meme, Shalon Peroni, Razor, Badandy, Justin Myers. Thanks, man. He said he just subscribed, vibing the channel. Well, I'm glad you like it, man. Thank you, dude. It means a lot. Y'all came from Alex Cobb, man. Is Cobb Man the King still live streaming, dude? It looks like he got out of here, man. Sweet. Well, I mean, not sweet, but like, well, that was nice. Nice of him, right? I thought he was just gonna stay on live longer. It's not working for me if he is live. I'm trying to, maybe I'm, oh, okay. Well, there you go, man. So, Brian Nowick, Manny. 1G Project Rising Wedge. Tonight, that is correct. 1G Project. Hey, Loco is free. Cover for crypto. Spinny Lair. Binance is offline. That is correct. Yes. Hello, Neil C. Says, thanks for helping me find the fib tool, bro. Sure thing, man. Anytime. Good God, man. I'm cooking XRP's glory. I don't know about that, man. Okay. But if you want to, if it'll make you feel better, XRP peoples, we can go to it. We can look at the daily on it, and we can see exceeding the 23% retrace. And the next target truly is 47.9 cents.
W/!W/!W.
So thank you, Joe Rogan, for the $3.33. Appreciate that, and all the W exclamation marks. But, you know, just from, you know, using our Fibonacci from the 79-cent wick.
W/F.
From that high to low, golden zone between 47.9 cents, 59.784 cents. All right, that's it. Just common retrace levels. And man, how great it is we've broken that. Okay, so you could start seeing pullback as early as 47.9 or really 48 cents, right? Great, man. Hey, you know, we did the comparative analysis with Bitcoin and Ripple, and we did discuss thoroughly the difference between them, where Bitcoin had no support like this. You know, Ripple had it, and we've held it. We just couldn't find a way to sell off. You know, we were getting to the point that we discussed all the time. Hey, mid-May. All right, you're going to break it to the downside, or you're going to break to the upside, and we went to the upside. Okay. It was great, man. It's great news. And how do we know? We didn't really know, but we saw a double bottom on the 4-hour, and we had a Momo shift on the downsloping resistance that we broke out of. So there was foreshadowing, definite foreshadowing on XRP of the break to the upside, but not like really with the thought of this, and you know, not with this in mind. Okay, dude, y'all, seriously.
/!W/!!
Wow. Okay. So that's like the reasonable fib, right? There's, you use this one, it's already happened, right? You go high to low here. We've already retraced from that high to low. So I don't even know how it makes sense to fib from here to here. It's really from here to here. The new high to the new low. All right.
Mark W/X.
Y'all can't hear that, can y'all? On my side. What do I think of Bitcoin running up to 10K, then retracing 6,500? Sure. What do I think about it? We would have to break 8,500, and that's a big if right now, okay? So it hasn't happened. Well, once we break 8,500, if we can break 8,500 convincingly, I think the move up to 9,500 will be extremely fast, okay? I don't know when it's going to be, but if it happens, that's your number, man. 8,500. Everyone in here should know 8,500 is the number, dude, to break. So, 9,500 is the 38% retrace from my all-time highs. Anyway, let's go to Bitcoin and look at it. All right. Which one was it? Coinbase? Coinbase on the weekly, right? That's right. Yeah. All right. So, to answer the question, whoever asked about it, organically moving to the cone of bits. All-time highs to the lowest low we've had, December 15th. We have exceeded a 23% retrace that was at 7,100. And now we're just facing a very clear level of overhead resistance that stems back to the week of July 16th, okay? July 23rd. If you broke that, again, there's absolutely nothing that would stop you from running ludicrously to 9,500. You would just go straight up to it and test it. All right, so the big question is, do we have enough left in the tank to break 8,500 so we could then run to 9,500 with no issues? And again, if you hit 38% retrace, 95.38, that is the beginning of the golden zone. That is where at any time we could expect reversal in price to the downside. And it's just a retrace, okay? It's not to say, oh my God, man, we're going to get screwed, okay? So it's like here, down, or here, down, or here, down, right? That's what you could expect. At each fib node will be looking for divergence on daily time scales, whatever. But it could just as easily happen where 8,500 is the mark 2, where we sell off and retrace down to the 23% retrace again, okay, before running. So that's what fib nodes are for, man. Fibonacci it helps us signify price action reversal to the downside, or really the upside, right? Because if it was the other way around, right? Same thing, dude. Same thing. Looks like we could sell off to here or here or here, and we're going to look for divergence coinciding variables at each fib node, maybe some pattern structure, which I don't know if you're going to get that on the weekly. All right. That's it, man. Okay. That was the weekly. Going to the daily. Coinbase Connect. 8,071 right now. Up 1% on the day. You can clearly see stalling somewhat for good reason. All right. And here is your overhead resistance zone. It is not as simple as just one number. It is different swing highs on candle closes and wicks. All right, you see two. And there you go, man. That's why we plot it, because guess what? We didn't run up to 8,500, the top part. We hit the bottom part and sold off. Yeah, like 700 points or something. It's crazy for, rebounding. So volatility's back, man. It really is. If you're enjoying the live stream, please hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Thanks so much for being here, y'all. You're amazing. I can't even believe it. What's up, IVLB? Zenobi, man. Tyler Hearn. LMNOP. Derek Smith, Dunkin' Donuts. Hello, man. Am I or is Bitcoin hitting 10,000 first? Oh, dude. If Bitcoin hits 8,500, I'm screwed. All right. Oh, sorry. If Bitcoin exceeds 8,500, I'm screwed. I got no shot. All right. Anyway. Yeah, that's right, Canal. Yes. What's up, Gordeski, man? Long time no see. Thanks, Jinxie, man. Jinxie. Eric M. The Station, Chalk, Carry Hard, Cryptopia did. Yes. What are y'all talking about? Cryptopia scammers. What's going on? What happened in chat, man? So I'm not able to see everything. So my sub count is in an ascending triangle. I digress, dude. No, I'm doing what Bitcoin's doing. Like, the sub count is doing what Bitcoin's doing. All right, there is the ascending triangle was 4,200, man. Right, that was my sub count at 4,200. When Bitcoin was at 4,200. All right, we broke the wall with Bitcoin. What junior man takes time. All right, and this is the least efficient market to trade on. Remember that. Take note of that. Why is Binance frozen? It is down for maintenance. 6 to 8 hours. All right. Station, that person is quit. Okay, for now. I mean, I think they realized it was futile. Like, what is that gonna do, man? Oh my god, I'm gonna sign on all my accounts and dislike the bit. Like, what does that do? Like, who? Even if you're insane, how long does that last? Right? Maybe the person got back on their meds. There's a lot of things we could speculate, but who really cares, dude? All right. How do I get screwed if Bitcoin exceeds 8,500? Well, screwed in the regard of the question was, who hits 10K first, my sub count or Bitcoin? That's how I'm screwed. If Bitcoin breaks 8,500, I won't have a shot because we know what's going to happen to Bitcoin. If it breaks 8,500, it's going to go straight up to 9,500, okay? Very fast, anyway. It'll be like $1,000 a day. What was that? Beautiful, man. Freaking beautiful, dude. God, man. So nice. Well, I mean, this thing's pretty much run its course. I mean, in terms of just like the trade, if one was in it, okay. Oh, excuse me. I got you. Geocast, welcome, man. Thank you, dude, for the sub, man. Welcome to House Harmonic. Swear fealty to the technical analysis, or you will be destroyed. All right. Kappa. What's Kappa? I don't know what Kappa is. You are screwed. No Kappas. Okay, man. Good old Bulkowski connect. Double bottom connect. Beautiful double bottom connect. All right. Low to the low. Well, man. You certainly did have Class B bullish divergence from two different valleys. The second valley, the doubled bottom, higher levels of relative strength. Okay. Measured move. Okay, right here. Candle close. There you have it, man. To measure move. You've hit it and barely exceeded it, man. Okay. Thank you, Bulkowski, for being such a king, so we can do the measure principle and just get ourselves targets. Now, that's not the only way to do it at all. We can also use Fibonacci.
Great channel and content. Would love to have you on my show. Investment Perspectives open invitation.
Brad Combs, man, welcome, dude. Thanks, man, for the open invitation via super chat, dude. Thanks, man. Oh, yeah, dude. Well, join the Discord, man. Join my Discord and get in contact with me, man. All right. Thank you, dude. Shout out to Brad Kimes. Investing, what is it? Investment Perspectives. Thank you, dude. Is this guy right here, chat? Brad Combs. Is that you, dude? Wait, why is it called Brad Combs and it's not called Investment Perspectives? Wouldn't it say Investment Perspectives on here, man? Thanks, dude. Cheers. What's up, Crypto Hippie, man? Okay, so what's happening, dude? All right, let's use the Fibonacci. Or Fibonacci Connect. Oh my god, I can't believe you'd say that. That's the most... That's probably the most offensive one ever is to say Fibonacci Connect. We've exceeded the golden retrace. It seems like you're going to hit $1.57.
Will do. Thank you.
Thanks, Brad, for the badass super chat follow-up, man. Dude, I love it, but the voice thing, I don't know. What do y'all think about the voice thing? Is it weird? Chat, we need I need feedback on this voice. We might roll with it. I don't know. I've never thought about changing the voice again. I've always been cool with the other one we've always used, right? Well, not always. Some of the OGs understand there is another one, but it wasn't as good. Okay. Litecoin Connect.
Let's look at LTC/USD boss.
Sure, dude. Thank you, Sharuba, for the Might 741 Litecoin. Sure as heck will. Thank you, man. All right. The voice is funny. You like it, Sharuba? Good and weird. It's not as good as the Coffee for Crypto's one, the 1669. It's weird, man. Oh my god, it's weird. Wait, isn't everything supposed to be weird here, dude? Kind of creepy? Hey, dude, I remember when we started doing this at first, that girl voice that you hear all the time. Everyone thought that was weird too, but no one said it's weird anymore. No one said it's weird for like 10 months, a year now, okay? So it does seem that there is the possibility this could continue running to the next fib node at $1.57. If you break $1.57, which there is a slight amount of overhead resistance, not much, right? There's just one right here and then the wick. All right, so we could definitely pull back. You are overbought now, but beautiful amounts of positive momentum, highest level of positive momentum you made on ONT to the US dollar since March 21st, 2019. Whoever was asking, man, thank you for all the BAT contributions. I know it goes like kind of unnoticed here because it just does, man. I don't know what to tell you. There's no way to get notifications about BAT. But the thing is, you can tip me with BAT on Streamlabs and it will show up on stream and I can give all the recognition in the world and you can do your requests. But if you're using the BAT Brave browser thing, you know, it's not going to show up. So there you go, man, right? So it is always optimum, especially if you want like something like a coin request, to just tip via Streamlabs. And then you get the recognition, man, right? Okay, so does that make sense, man? Next target, well, we're really kind of at it. I mean, we've just hit it. I mean, this hour, we've hit the targets of the beautiful double bottom. My God, it's perfect, isn't it? So 157, 164, and if you exceed that, see it $1.73. And if you broke $1.73, well, we've got targets, man. Yes, we do. $1.93, 204, and then 219 tops us off at the golden mean ratio, the 1.618 or the 161.8% retrace. Okay, that means we would be in the Andromeda Galaxy up here, dude, with Matthew McConaughey. And the Independence Day alien Jesus peoples, right? Something like that. Nope. Professional. Yeah. What?
Montana has a mangina.
Tommy Chong, thanks for the $3.33. But, well, you know, all we want to do is kind of put that in the past, forget about it. It's not something I want to talk about or deal with. Okay. Because it sucks, man. It was not a fun experience Saturday night. I had been streaming all day, and then I was drinking copious amounts of alcohol because it was just a celebratory day, and I just don't. Yeah, no need to bring that up. We can put it in the past, man. All right. Very nice to see. Hey, dude, the double top. Look at you pivoted and rallied. Bullish conditions. No positive momentum. That's what's so weird, man. It's like you got no momentum. It's just like you're just sitting here making slightly higher highs than two previous highs, and you've got nothing. Okay, nothing. You're at 65 on the RSI. You've hit targets of the trade, and it's continuing to run up. And guess what, man? We'll probably see 100 soon, the way it's going. All right. If Bitcoin doesn't crap out with all this exchange stuff opening. Okay. 47.9 cents frozen is the major 38% retrace on XRP. Can't argue with that if you use that 79%. Or that 79 cent swing high, the crazy wick, man. Why did Hyperwave tell us 1,000? I don't know, man. I don't know Hyperwave. Maybe it's good that I don't know about it much. Okay. I don't know. It's like a new theory. It's like a newer theory. It hasn't been around since like the 1930s, like harmonics, dude. I don't know. Anyway. Uh-oh. Litecoin's crap, they say, but Litecoin went from $22 to $100 effing dollars, man. Pretty lit if you ask me. Hey, you know what it looks like, dude? This is what's crazy. You know what it really is? Wow. I feel like I'm losing my mind here. It's an actual ascending triangle of some sort, isn't it? It really freaking is. And I don't really know if it starts with a wick or if we're starting to break out right now. Jeez, dude. Right, because you already had the 2 reaction highs. I'll show you, man. Right here and here. It's like that. You got 1 wick up here. Okay, great. Good for your wick. What makes the most sense, right? Yeah, dude, I know there is that 1 wick there. 95, 99, 96. But, dude, if you somehow break this, talk about just some sort of measured move, some sort of target. Wow. Could be looking for $105.45 and break that 100, dude. Thanos snap, man. $100. Huge amount of psychological resistance there. As you can see, it was that where we hit $100 or right around it before selling off. I don't even think we hit it. We hit $98. We didn't even hit 100. So it looks like some sort of ascending triangle or symmetrical triangle, whatever way you want to look at it, doesn't matter. The measure moves the same thing. Okay, to me it looks like a bullish continuation pattern. Jeez. Wow. Oh yeah, Evil Boy, is that true? Because you've been here 5 minutes and we called the bottom at 33.43 and you're a scrub, right? Evil Boy for life. Yeah, you sound like one, dude. See ya. What do you know, man? You don't know anything. Yeah, dude. Yeah, no one's made money off this stream. Pfft. Yeah, right. So be more. Crypto hippie, man. Can we talk pundy? Why would we want to talk pundy, dude, at all-time lows? It's pundy, man. Okay. But dude, this is beautiful. I mean, this is freaking beautiful. Alright? This is what we teach in here. We teach you how to identify this stuff by yourself so you don't need me to do it, right? That's what this stream's about. Helping you invest in yourself so you don't need me. You don't need anyone, alright? You don't have to ask the question, where are we gonna go? What are we gonna do, man? When do I buy now? Buy later?
You should institute a minimum tip amount for anyone shilling another show. I suggest 33.33 drink.
Maybe so, David R. What number would you think is appropriate, man? Thanks for the 33.33 repeating, of course. Wow, man. Already gunning for me, dude? Jeez, man. Thanks, dude. Alright. Here's the thing that can happen, though. You can hit right where we are and sell off again and run down to $87. Hit the bottom forwarding again. Okay, so just know we're at the top of the ascending triangle, which is always the highest amount of resistance, okay? But you can see it's there. Pizza coin.
This should get you a good amount of pizza coin. Kappa Kappa.
Pizza Cone Connect. Dude, thank you so much for the $19.85 of what crypto was that, man? That was the Bitcoin. The Bitcoin. Cone of bits. Thank you, man. Stay at home, Dad. Really appreciate that. Cryptocurrency contribution, man. Wow. Cheers to you. And David R. Really, what do you think, dude? Thanks, Eric Dobkin. Evidently, a 12-year-old doesn't think they're good. Oh, no, man. Evil Boy for life. Oh, God. Is he going to be a meme? God. I'm not sure yet. I'm in such a good mood, man. Right? Such a good mood about this market. I don't feel like turning people into memes. Okay. I will restrain. We won't do it, dude. We'll let it go with just a simple ban. Alright? Rainbow coin. What are you talking about, David? Roman God, you speak. You know speak the internet gibberish, man. Did you get jebaited, man? Matt Thompson says he knows everything. Oh my god. It's a demon, man.
What up, El Ray? Clink clink.
Clink
Do
clink.
not get tracked.
Yeah, dude. Tell me about it. Hey, Mr. Damon, man. No one getting ready today on Neo, right? Neo? It's just, hey, you tip, man. You know what happens, right? Well, we'll look at Neo and then JD.
Please, stock.
JD. Okay, we'll look at JD. Dude, Mr. Damon, man. Is TA crap, man? Is TA crap? Primary target of a falling wedge. High to low, 50% retrace. Target, 62% retrace. Over and over and over again. You're there and you haven't gone above it. Oh, Binance, you know, Binance Exchange is closed right now. Whatever, it's the one we use to chart this, so good for us, right? You did get rejected up there, but for good reason. A 50% retrace and a heart line of the upsloping channel we had a false breakout of, right? With the bullish divergence to boot on the tail end. Wow. Very good. Thank you, Mr. Dan, man. Again, you know, I just think about you and Neo, man. All right. Good God. It's like this double bottom on ONT to USD is so perfect. I just need to, I need to save this, dude, as an image and use it for some sort of like Jeopardy or something. I haven't done that in like a month, dude. Okay, double bottom. Dude. Oh, double bottom 1. There we go. Perfect. Alright, sorry. JD.com Connect. Jeez, man. What a volatility S show, right? Bounced off that freaking 200 moving average on the 4 hour. Alright. Because this is the one we were a little bit unconventional, where we had our last anchor point, which I did 1 and 2 on the top, and I chose the gap on 3 because of the overwhelming amount of respect I got on like every single touch point, man, of this equidistant channel. It's look what we bounced, man. We bounced off the 75% trend line of the equidistant channel. Okay, the 200 moving average there too, but you know, whatever, man. Thinking outside the box, man. Yeah, dude, 200 moving average on the 4 hour is exactly where the 200 day moving average is. That's crazy, man. So maybe there's still hope for JD.com, but you know, made a lower high than our previous high. What was it again? How far have we retraced? Was it 50%? Yeah, right around 50%, a little under it, but still in the golden zone. We bounced here. That's nice, but hey, the fact that we bounced is great, but have we done anything? Have we made a higher high? No. So until you really break 3149, I mean, I'm sorry, man, it's not very good. And clearly, look, you can see we're using April 15th, 2016 area as resistance, overhead resistance right now, because we fell below it, and now we're back testing it as a resistance, right? So must break 29.98, pretty much $30. Okay, so if you could break that, that's great and all, but dude, then you've got the mega downslope resistance at 31.57 or 30.92, you know, moving target this area right here. That's why you have it plotted. Okay, despite the bottom, the top is extremely important. To break that, man, you might have a Momo shift. Okay. 33 in titty coin. Oh my god, man.
Make them chip 33.33 in titty coin. Anyone who says they haven't made money has absolutely not been watching even one whole stream. I have made trades just based off of the stream many times.
Trace La Chase? What was that? It sounded like you said Trace La Chase. 3 milk cake.
Let IT ride back down patiently and then I will take IT for another spin. Digital cash bags. Love you, El Rey. Thank you for teaching me and everyone WHO pays attention. Hope you are doing well. Do not get wrecked, Jesus peoples.
Do not get wrecked, Jesus peoples, man. Mr. Damon, man. Thank you so much for the 20. The 2-0 again, man, dude. Holy crap. Thank you. David R2. I was about to say David R2. R2D2. Let's see what you were saying. You have made trades just based off the stream many times. I think you said Trace Chase, man. I'm sorry, dude. The TTS sounds weird when there's music playing, and I have it really quiet because I have to. Otherwise, you will hear echo. So I'm just kind of limited. Unless I want to wear headphones, which look really nerdy. Which, come on, dude. It's a TA stream, so it's extremely nerdy anyway because we talk about Lord of the Rings and Game of Thrones and Star Wars Worlds all the time. So, that sounds like a good deal, David R. They must tip in titty coin. What? Hey, can someone give us how many titty coin does it take to make us achieve $33.33? It has to be so much, dude. You become like a titty wave whale if you own 33.33. Repeating, of course. Dollars of it. All right, let us know. Thanks. Holy crap, y'all are amazing. So, HG men, it's just downtrending, right? It's like lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. And here's your lower high, and you broke down, and now you're back testing a support as resistance, right? So, what does that tell you, man? That might be time to sell again, maybe? There was no divergence on this pop of the upside, so it was just kind of weird, right? It's like didn't make too much sense on the daily anyway. Just bouncing off. It's probably just a knee-jerk reaction on the 200-day and 200 moving average on, well, it's like, the 4-hour and daily. So, I don't know, man. You break $31, we'll be talking about a different story, but I think you still need to break like 31, the wick right here, 31.66, before we could really run again. And then, you're going to have overhead resistance. Look left, man, like, $33. And then above that, you've got more. Wow. What a head and shoulders, right? Whew, beautiful, man. Chart art right there. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Wrecked. Gotta love it. Okay. Also, some sort of slanted head and shoulders, kind of. It could be argued just double top. Yeah, it's more of a double top. Higher, low, double top. It was crazy, man. 100%. Never mind, we're going to talk about harmonics. It wasn't. Okay. Crazy world. What happened, Brookolinos? Girl voice sounds alive. The guy voice is a bit flat. Yeah. I hear you, dude. Holy crap, sorry. There's a decent amount of chat, so hard to manage all of it. Sorry. But Mr. Damon is the one who got me this Herman Miller chair. I was talking about, we are in these marathon streams that might do my back. There's something wrong with my back. And then we start talking about chairs, and Mr. Damon comes in. It's like, we started talking about Herman Miller's, and it's like, wow, that's an $800 chair. That's crazy, man. And Mr. Damon just comes in and is like, do it, man. Do it. And it's like, how many marathon streams have I had in this chair now? A lot more. And it's all thanks to him. Saved my back. Thanks again, Mr. Damon, dude. I now own 50% of Tittycoin. Pretty much, dude. Right? Good God. Okay, so I've been live for 50 minutes. If you're enjoying the live stream, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. We've looked around the crypto market. Bitcoin still over 8,000. Good for that, man. Very good. Brian Alex says, I too have made money trading from watching Mitre. Thanks, Brian, man. Hello, Prosperity Plus. Thanks for the positivity and the vibes, man, at the same time. Speaking, when I think about you, I think about market cap all the time. I think you just entrenched it in my brain. 244 billion market cap.
Check out Ada when you get a moment.
Sure, man. Hey, Michael Barker, thanks for the $5 super chat. And thanks for the change up with the voice. By accident, but still. Breaks the monotony, as Will Smith would say. Dang, Derek Smith, man, thanks for the 3333 super chat. Supposed to announce the action after a certain amount. Dang man, which one am I looking at though? Give me a sec. Ah, gotcha. Okay, here is how it all ended. When the clock ran out on ADA. Well, closed right at the golden retrace. 8.5 cents. We tried to break it, could not, pulled back, and now we're in maintenance. So it's going to be a while, dude. All right? That's it, man. You've looked from a high to low, the structure, you broke out, and there's not much more to talk about. You've hit a golden retrace, but in time, if the market holds up, you could very well, like, look, man, you have this little scrubby resistance. Not much, man. Really not much. If the market holds up, macro anyway, you could see 9.2 cents, 786. That is the next target. We did kind of close above it, didn't we? Yeah. High to low to get our targets when we're going to the upside. So 9.2 cents, 9.6475 cents. And really, dude, it's just kind of like, wow. Like, this DA's crap. It's like, didn't we just do, like, Fibonacci education? Who does that, man? Like, straight up hardcore classroom setting Fibonacci education in a live stream, man. Just on the fly. Like, screw it, dude. Let's do it. Bergolinos said, if Bitcoin were to hit 9,500 while they are down doing maintenance, do you think we just lose if we had planned to sell at the top? So hold on. Hey, Anon, thanks for the $5 super chat, dude. Really appreciate that. Or not super chat, no, it's just a $5 contribution. Much love, man. Jeffrey H, thanks for joining. Thank y'all very much. See, it looks great now, right? No matter, like, every time someone was like doing a super chat, it was that scrubby little purple emoji. It was not good. Emote, e-ball, whatever, dude. Okay. Aaron M, I don't even know what that is. Okay. Dude, what the heck? Is this, what was going on, dude? Okay, no, okay. Sorry, man. Derek Smith, your message didn't show up, and it's probably just because I created a new variation or something. I agree with him, says Derek Smith. I've made thousands just off trades during this Mitch's live stream. Can you check XLM Kangs? Sorry, Derek, I didn't see that, man. My bad. So we just looked at ADA for Michael Barker, and Derek Smith wants to see Stellar Lumens Connect. Sure did. We looked at it earlier today. Okay, Stellar Lumens Connect continuing to roll on up. Same old Momo shift. Old-fashioned Momo shift. Down sloping structure. 2 on the top. You broke out. You kind of had a false breakout. It was just like, oh my God, just like Ripple, man. The way we broke it, okay? You know, Ripple had a much larger structure than XLM. Okay, but XLM's been doing different things, right? Huge megaphone. Broke out, didn't ever even come close to a measure move of this pattern before running again. Macro, right? So from your high point to low point, we've run up. We could probably expect an 78.6% retrace to 88% retrace, because we know for a fact, what is it? X, A, B, C, D, 786 bearish cipher pattern, isn't it? Wouldn't it be? Am I crazy? Yeah, dude. Yeah, man. All right. So bearish cipher in the works right now, because we know this is 38%, right? Why is it saying 35? 786. That is the target. All right, that's 12.67 cents. All right, and that is where one would take a short on XLM to US dollar. Okay, I'm just saying, man. Right? So lower high, and that's perfect, dude. All right, ciphers are so friggin' reliable too. I don't know why this is on. Maybe it's the top. Yeah, probably. Yeah. Okay, whatever. Cipher 382 to 618 for the cipher. We'll game in. That's where we can go. It was like a lower low double bottom, which has stronger price action or stronger reliability of a pattern or a better performance according to Bulkowski. All right, and this definitely sure as heck worked, right? You said double bottom measure move. Probably getting. I mean, depends where you measure from, this bottom or this one, right? But either way, man. Okay, 78.6% retrace, 12.67 cents. That is an area where one would take a short. But whatever, man. Bullish conditions. But it's XLM, which is not really bullish at all. It's not bullish. This is not a bullish trend. Okay. Anyway, all right. See you at 12.67 cents. Derek, man. Okay. Let's change this to that orange color. It's always the bearish. This is the Cypher, man. Cypher Connect. Beautiful, man. That's right, Dustin. Binance is currently down for a system upgrade and will be down for more than 6 hours. Yes. Thanks, Stay at Home Dad. Really appreciate it, dude. Okay, so 33.33 US dollars equates to 416,625 titty coins to Lobman. Whale territory, dude. Thanks for clarification. Morgan Freeman. I don't think there is one of those, dude. All right. We get fireworks back? Yeah, dude. My bad. Sorry. I just I haven't had time to really look, right? Thanks for the 685 people. Thanks for the 269 likes. Really appreciate y'all. Y'all are amazing. Okay. Here are your fireworks for Science Girl and all of chat. All right. Let's go back. Local on the 8s. Yeah, broke the resistance. What happens, dude? Yeah. 229.88. Oh my goodness, man. We're making the highest highs of the day again. Right around that 230 mark. So strong. So powerful. You broke it, dude. Look what happened when you broke it. You ran up. Okay, when you ran up, you're just very, very close, dude, to that 232.37. Should have listened to you about Pundy. What? Pundy Atlanta, then Rocket. Oh, all-time lows. Pundy all-time lows, then Rocket. Dude, I don't know, man. Like, I'm not really, like, I can look at S coins, but I'm not really behind them like that. Like, for, dude, they're illiquid, highly manipulated S coins, dude. So the lower the liquidity, the easier it is to manipulate and to ruin you. And yeah, good luck setting up stop losses on those. They'll see that order book. But all right, man, pulling back a little bit. 228.67, up 5%. We're up $11 on the day, on the new day. Wow. Holy crap, man. Holy crap. Nice, dude. Hey, we fly high, man. We might be poised for greatness here, but we also might get wrecked. Just don't know. Okay. So just really zoomed out real quick. On ICX. Okay. We broke it down some structure, right? We broke out. Good for us. All right. Just wanted you to see that. We broke out of that. Hey, Mike, man. Thanks for the $2 super chat. Kings. Whoa, what just happened? Bounce. Why would that make that bounce? That was weird. Sorry. All right. So just looking at the daily for a second for you to see that. The 4 hour. Let me hide this so you can only make it's only visible on the daily, just for the sake of. Let me hide these two. Make these only visible on the daily because they're not really relevant in the short term. So we had a falling wedge. We broke out of the falling wedge from a high point to low point. We didn't even hit a 38% retrace. It was pathetic. It was awful. It was like, really, dude? That's all you're going to do? That's okay, man. Something's happened. Just like XLM, just like all these altcoins, man. VeChain, right? Impulse up, down slipping consolidation, and slightly converging trend lines, which is bullish. Falling wedge. You were at that resistance, man.
Mitch could really compile a video clip of every coin in the top 100 in which he had a great call on stream for free. Should keep a Ripple clip in your BTC bottom call clip on hand to replay it anytime someone says no one has made money or TA doesn't work.
Yeah, it's true. I mean, I've done that before. I mean, it's weird. It's like you get people that have never seen my stream before come in here and they watch for 5 minutes, and since they just don't even understand what TA is, not complex TA, not like, you know, the dark arts of TA. They don't understand anything. So they've probably never been taught before. They come in and talk a bunch of crap, they get banned, and it's like, okay, go on with your life, man. Go on with your closed mind, never learning anything new. Eventually they'll get older and they'll learn, or they won't. And no one cares. And then that's it, dude, right? So thank you, David R, for the 99.99 tonight, dude. And what about earlier today? Thank you, man. Amazing. Much love. You're gunning for me, man. Freaking gunning for me. And it's just, quite frankly, kind of terrifying. All right? Okay. Thank you, dude. But yeah, we look at... all you gotta do is just pull up 3343, my trading view idea, and that'll shut everyone up. I mean, that is talking crap, right? So falling wedge, man. All right, just a simple trade or whatever. I mean, the thing is, it's like Fibonacci isn't gonna work very well because you're already so deep, high to low. You've already retraced so much from this bottom, right? You're already near 50% retrace. Okay, so I mean, you break out. I mean, do you want to talk about measured moves? I mean, I guess we can do measured moves because the you know, any kind of fib trading in this situation is not going to yield you the results you need to have the reward to risk. All right. So if you traded just a measured move, man, and I don't know if this is going to hit or not. If you, from the breakout, wherever that is, it may break out, it might not, but we're right at that area, and we've seen other altcoins bust out. But ICX, wherever it broke out from, a measured move would put you at 48.888 cents. What? Or something like that. Bro. Okay, but again, Fibonacci is not going to help you here. Not. But again, here's the thing. There was a much larger falling wedge we broke out of, and we didn't even get close to our targets. I mean, 59.7 cents is a 50% retrace from the height of the structure to the bottom. So that is where we could expect to see it in the more midterm, right? Here's your golden zone from this high to low. We didn't even hit the golden zone, so we could go all the way up to 49.9 cents. Hold on, I'm trying to see here. Let me get rid of these real quick. Okay, here we go. From that high to low, 49.9 cents all the way to 69.5 cents. This is the more major golden zone. Okay, so this could we could run to these levels. And that's why you don't just be stuck on a shorter term, or you have to zoom out. You zoom out to see really the context. Context is we had a break to the upside, we broke a pattern, and we're down sloping in our consolidation, and we could break to the upside again. Okay. And if we did, then we know we have unfinished business to attend to, right? ICX, again, 49.9 to 69.5. If you're just to make a common everyday retrace, okay, there you go. We fly high. Okay. Dang, dude. What's up, Biz, man? Thanks for joining. If you're enjoying the live stream, please hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Let's get a... We never been able to... Oh, let's get a sub spike, man. Sub spike! Or something. Okay. Never called for it before. I don't think they exist, man. All right.
Mitch, how long have you been in crypto? Been in it since 13 but still learning thanks to you. Go Tigers.
Roll Tide.
Mitch, how long have you been in crypto? Been in it since 13 but still learning thanks to you. Go Tigers.
Nightman, thanks for the $10 super chat. Those are 2 real contributions. It's a duplicate, but I don't think you can do that. I don't think you can duplicate. I think you have to do it the same way. Thank you, man. I've only been in crypto since like August through October of 2017. More so just like, I was like all up in the stock market and I was just curious. I'm like, what, IOTA? What is this thing? It's up like, what? Holy crap. Why is it not saying anything? Is it under, okay, maybe it's under 5, it doesn't say anything. I'm still like changing all this. Is it, bro, where'd you learn your skills? All over the place, man. All over the place for 7 years, man. Alright. How much time do you spend charting? Well, I don't know, man. A long time. Alright. It used to be my hobby, dude. It used to literally be something I'd do when I got home from work. Alright. Some people go fishing. Some people rebuild cars. I went home and charted, researched, and studied. Okay. I just became obsessed with wanting to memorize and learn all the Japanese candlestick patterns. There's all the chart patterns, the Bulkowski patterns, and it just started getting crazier and crazier and crazier. It engulfed my life, and then, fortunately, because of good fortune or whatever on the stock market, I had enough to where I could take a leap on giving this streaming thing a try, and that was all she wrote, man. So, how much time do I spend charting? I guess a lot. A lot. And again, I need to find something. So when your hobby becomes your life, there becomes a void, and I have not really filled that void yet. Okay, it all meshes together now. It's like charting is life, it is the job, but it's like my hobby too, and I love it. But it's like I gotta go like get back into fishing or something like that. All right, so. Snake, I'm sorry to hear that, man. But hi, ASL, Kappa. Let's do TA on my sub chart. Mark a lot. I think we can do that. I don't know. I don't know what this analytics thing. Let me see here. Past 30 days. See, it's not going past 30 days. I could go to Social Blade. Okay, let's go to Social Blade real quick. We'll just take a look. I've never done this. Okay, so like not live, not. Dude, what's happening? All right, let's go to detailed statistics. So this is my Social Blade, y'all. All right. Let me I don't want to keep doing that. All right, so like 30 days ago, 28 days ago, whatever, I was at 6133 subs. All right. And 28 days, 30 days later, whatever, 8455 subs. Okay, so look at what's happened since Saturday. Hey, the growth's great, it's like organic and nice, but Saturday, dude, 202, 375, 429. Today, technically yesterday, 241. All right. Charts on my sub count. Ah, crap. I don't know how this is gonna work. It's not gonna let me. How do you do that? Like, how does it? So September, right? 0, I guess, right? And then it ran up, and then like flatline from like January. Something happened from January to I think it was mid-March or something. I didn't SEO, I didn't do static videos, but once I started doing static videos, we had about 2-3 weeks of me doing static videos and SEOing. And once I started doing the right things, playing YouTube right, explosion. So we had already picked up Momo, but then April 1st came around. And then it was like, oh my god, man, the momentum went nuts, dude. So yeah, dude, it's crazy, man. Look what happened when I started SEOing. It was started like right here, like 321, like picked up. And look at the activity and daily subs versus what we saw like for such a long time. It was like nothing. I couldn't believe it. I thought there was something wrong with me. I'm like, man, my content must just suck, dude, because I can't grow. I thought there was something wrong with me, but then there was something wrong with me, and it was me not playing the YouTube game right, and then everything changed, dude. But man, 773,000 total views. 1 million. We're gonna have a big party, dude. Okay. Awesome, dude. All right, there you go, man. For you. Okay. What happened, B-More? Sorry, man. Did I miss any? Yes, my bad. B-More says VeChain worth holding a bag now at all-time low. Gee, well, I don't know about these Bitcoin pairs, man. But the US dollar tether pairs, different story. VeChain looks great, man. It had a breakout. This is VeChain, right? It had the falling wedge, but the double bottom was there. That was the big one. And so we broke it, but hey, it's Binance, so for now it's closed. This one we've been charting, okay? So a double bottom measure move. We should see if the target's hit. If the trade succeeds, 70 or 78.37% of 1 penny. Oh my god, man. And it makes sense, all the sense in the world for us to move up to higher prices based on what? The daily. What's going on the daily, man? Well, no discernible swing highs since September of 2018.
Hi Mitch. Thanks for all your hard work this week. I was wondering if you can explain for us newbies why people keep asking if there is going to be a big change in the market when Binance comes back online. What might happen to BTC and other altcoins and why?
Burgolinos, thanks for the 333. It's all speculative. No one really knows. Okay, people have been asking, all day. And it's like, well, dude, I mean, there's only 3 things that can happen, right? We braid the upside, make higher highs, we sell off, or we don't do anything. Okay, so it's kind of a non-event. Everyone knows about it. Maybe people take profits, or people say, "Oh my God, man, Bitcoin's so high now, and the FOMO is real, and there's enough retailers that put money into Binance accounts, right?" So there's really no way of knowing. The only thing you can do is just have protective stop losses set up. Dude, anything can happen, man. I don't know, man. Okay, how often does it happen? Oh, we are Charles Schwab, or we are TD Ameritrade, or we are any exchange. We are Wanda. We have been hacked, man. We must shut down for maintenance, and we must stop withdrawals. How often? That doesn't happen often. Okay, so we're in an unregulated, crazy market, man. So your guess is as good as mine, right?
Should not kick those people that talk trash out right away. They need your teaching the most. We also need Mitch to drink. I watch a lot of YouTubers who cover crypto. You are by far the best TA channel and one of the greats covering crypto, period.
Dude, David R, man, thanks so much. Hey, how'd you find me, man? And when did you find me? Thank you, dude. Really curious. The kind words, man, are truly humbling, and it means a lot. And thanks for gunning for me, dude. All right.
I need some more Mitch Connect. Stocks are low. Bye.
Mitch Connect. Thanks, Mitch Connect. Ding ding dong.
Dash breaking $150. Sending some to broker to start scaling out a little. RSI 78. What do you think?
Well, we've broken the 100% retrace on the Binance chart. All right, so 1272 is, well, see, crap, man. So I do my charting on Binance and it goes down. It's like, well, but then it's still moving when Binance is down. It's like, crap, man. Let me show you what I got. And you said 150. That's a 1272. All right, and then you got 152 and then 159 and the 1618. Good God, man. Let me Let me just try to recreate it. Okay. Dang, dude. Give me a sec. Nothing I really do. I don't know, man. I think the way it's working right now, we have a golden cross, April 21st, right? The only discernible swing high you have on Dash is back from freaking April of 2018, and we haven't even hit a 23% retrace. Okay, so this is in the short term, right? Oh my goodness, it's so crazy. I can't believe it. Pullback coming. What? But then you say, but dude, zoom out and look what's happened. This is Bittrex, all right? So way more data. I mean, from all-time highs. We're not looking at all-time highs. We're just looking at the previous discernible swing high, kind of like VeChain, right? And it's way up here, April 20.